Hi guys, so I thought I'd bring you back for a little update on this one. You remember this one we did a couple of weeks ago now. Now it's looking better, but we're not fully out of the woods yet, and it's because the time of the year, everything's slowing down, temperatures are dropping and there's a little bit less light around. So in general it's looking fairly green and fairly happy, but it's still a little bit thin in places. But there is seed that's turned into grass which has come through. Even all these borders, we've got grass coming through, and it is fairly even all the way across. Now that's what I'm looking for, evenness. I'm not looking for a thick lush lawn at this stage, I'm looking for evenness. Overall it's okay. I would have liked it to have been a bit further across at this stage, but it's just not been the case. But not to worry, at least we know, I mean, all this border is filled in absolutely lovely. It is just a little bit thin, and obviously that's just down to the weather, which we can't control. So overall, as a result, I'm happy with what we've got. You can tell the lawn's happy because it's like a rich, vibrant green as opposed to a pale yellow. So everything we're doing is right. We just need Mother Nature to help out and take it to the next stage, and that will come with time.